You got a hanger in here? To do the dishes and stuff in here again. No. Hey, baby boy. I feel like my house is falling apart into shambles. Like, not a big deal, but do you want to actually have time to clean it? Today, though, we're doing Well, Baby Can't Read. Come on. You want to do it? Okay, you do it. I'm sorry. See that? Little Miss Independent. No, 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 no. Come on. I thought you wanted to do your Baby Can Read. You pointed it out. Come on. Come here. Oh. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, look. Do 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 do. Oh, oh, what's that? Oh, what is this? What's going on over here? Oh, you know you want to do this. Ooh, mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh, you want to throw yourself on the ground like that? You just want me to check your nose out. Oh. See? Not so bad, right? It's okay. Mama got you. My girl. Baby.
This is a baby. And this is a baby. The arrow is pointing to the baby's bib.
Are you wearing a bib?
You say ball.
This is a cute doll.
Poor little girl.
Where's Lauren's doll? Cat.
You okay?
Meow.
Bat.
Bats?
Bat. Darn it, this is a bat. When you say bat.
Rattle.
Rattle.